Take the next step on your journey to a simpler life with practical products from Lehman's. Honest, forthright, understandable simplicity gives you control over what happens in your life. It's no wonder we're all a little afraid of complications. A complicated life is full of things you can't control. Take our push mower, for example. If it's not working, you're not walking. Simplicity equals freedom from stress. Freedom from stress, like butter, has one ingredient. It's control. And control means choosing activities that are transparently understandable. When you grow your own food, you understand the process and know that you're close to your food source. Gather the harvest so you can cook together as a family. Working as a team not only builds a strong bond, it teaches us how to nourish our bodies with real food. Eat what is in season. Summer is the time for the freshest of berries and vegetables. From plant to plate to pantry, let Lehman's help you live a satisfying, simpler life. Lehman's on the Square in Kidron, where we're open every day except Sunday and always open at lehmans.com.